cold. We are at the Halifax waterfront seaport farmers market. What we have, we just picked up a lobster roll from the Gold Coast seafront. Shout out to the sweet lady that hooked us up with the roll. Let's see how it tastes. The roll looks sick, so look, you can see it's grill on the side. It's full of lobster meat. They do it in this little house special mayo, but it's not too much mayo that will cover the lobster flavor. Lobster meat is fresh, like fresh as hell. The sauce is a bit buttery, it's not too mayo-y. I wish they have a bit of chives on it, so to give a little kick, like some greens on the. I give it a solid like 80 out of 100, solid 80 for this. I would say that lobster dinner, the new Glasgow lobster supper. Going in is a bit intimidating because there's a huge lineup. Everyone is just waiting to get their lobster dinner, but we stuck out. We waited, I think, for around 30 minutes, and we got our tables. Going into it without knowing, actually, it's like a half of like all you can eat style. So there's the chowder, there's the mussels, there's the desserts, there's the drinks. These are all you can eat. You can refill as much as you want, except for the lobster. Lobster is finally here. After 2 buckets of mussels, some chowder, and it's looking pretty fresh. The lobster is looking pretty fresh. That's my gonna put my hat backwards for my game face, you know? It's a war. You got the bib going, the hat's backwards. It's time for eating, you know what I'm saying? Steaming. Texture of the lobster is on point. It's definitely fresh. Some sweetness to it. I can't think of anything to say. It's really good. The highlight of the supper was actually the all-you-can-eat. Those mussels, man, were out of this world. Off the chain, fresh mussels. I think straight from PEI. Every bucket was full of freshness. Like, this bucket is actually pretty big. Look, it's like the size of my head. The mussel was juicy, defo juicy. It felt like a little marble with like a little water inside, a little water bubble. Once you eat it, the natural juices of the mussels just burst in your mouth. And to go on top of that, they had this butter, that little butter, that melted butter that they make in-house. Something special about that butter. I think they add a little lemon juice, a little garlic, you know, just to flavor the butter. Yo, let me tell you, legit, off the chain, full of flavor. I'm gonna finish off at the end of a trip with a quote. You know what I'm saying? With a quote.
Okay. Hit me.
Do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? That's